Details just coming in of how an earthquake has jolted Kolkata, the quake measuring 5.5 on the Richter scale in Kolkata. The epicenter of this quake was in Bangladesh. Now, there have been no reports of casualties yet in this earthquake, but many of those videos that have already begun circulating on social media of the impact of the earthquake in Kolkata. So far, we understand that the quake measures 5.5 on the Richter scale in Kolkata, but thankfully there have been no casualties that have been reported yet in this earthquake. Let me take this to my colleague Anupam Mishra joining us on the broadcast with further details. Anupam, किस तरह से वो tremors आए, कितने बजे और कई वीडियोस अब आगे आ रहे हैं. Thankfully कोई casualties नहीं है, कोई largely damage नहीं है.
Well, Suesha, a strong earthquake has been felt in Kolkata just a few minutes back, and we were in office, and everyone in the office just get down from the building, and this is the situation right now because it has happened a few minutes back, but a lot of people came down from their offices. They were working there, and we will talk to them. क्या हुआ था? किस तरह से आप लोगों ने महसूस किया?
ना सर वी वर वर्किंग एंड सडनली मतलब होता है ना मिस को वाइब्रेशन फील होने लगा एंड देन तो वी थॉट कि मिस वी शुड इवैक्यूएट एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल. तो हम लोगों ने जितने हैं एम्प्लॉइज को सबको बोले कि वी शुड रन फास्ट एंड हम लोग को इवैक्यूएट करना चाहिए बिल्डिंग को. दैट्स इट.
Okay, thankfully nothing happened, and let me tell you, the epicenter of the earthquake was Bangladesh. It's in Taki, according to the seismography department, and it has been felt all over in Calcutta. In fact, near to Bangladesh border, North 24 Pargana, South 24 Pargana, people evacuated the high rises, and this is the condition of the high rise at present. People who have evacuated the buildings have waited for at least 10-15 minutes, then they are just getting into their offices because it's office time. So a strong earthquake has been felt in Kolkata, and fortunately nothing big happened.
And thankfully, nothing big happened. Absolutely, Anupam. I want to thank you for getting us all those details. May have created a temporary sense of panic, but no casualties, no damage at large. Thank you.